Good morning, students. This is Kiran sir from Wassalabai Vanmadi School of Scholars. In last two period, we discussed about the present tense and past tense. Today, we are going to deal with the future tense. In present tense, we use work as a verb. In past tense, we use write in a as a verb. So that's why there is some difference between that. But past tense and future tense, when you discussing about that, we use the same verb write. Okay. So now present tense having a four subtypes, past tense having a four subtypes. That's why future tense having a four subtypes. And today we will going to deal with the future tense, and these four subtypes we will discuss one by one. Number one is simple future tense. Formula of the simple future tense is subject plus shall, will, and first form of the word. So this is the formula. Subject plus shall or will plus V1, first form of the word. Example of this, I shall write a letter. This is the very simple. Now second, continuous future tense. Continuous future tense. When we are discussing about the continuous future tense, continuous is the word that in some other grammars having the another name progressive. So continue means progressive, and progressive and continue is the same word. Now example of the continuous future tense is subject plus shall be, will be plus VING means fourth form of the verb. So this is the formula of the continuous future tense. So example of the continuous future tense is that I shall be writing a letter. This is the good example for that. Now third is perfect future tense. Yeah, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Formula of the future perfect tense is subject plus shall have or will have plus V3, third form of the verb. So students, what is the third form of the right? Yes, written. Written is the third form of the right. So example for that, I shall have written a letter. I shall have written a letter. This is the example of future perfect tense. Now, last word is future perfect continued tense. Future perfect continued tense. This is the last tenses in a future tense. Formula of this, subject plus shall have been, shall have been, will have been plus VING means V4. And generally this type of sentences we do not use. Generally we do not use. But this is the fourth type of future tense and we have to discuss about that. This is the formula, subject plus shall have been, will have been plus VING, yeah, V4. I shall have been writing a letter since morning. This is the great sentence about that. So students, present tense, past tense and future tense, these are the three tenses you understand properly. I hope that you keep it in mind regarding that the examples and the subtypes also. So present tense, past tense and future tense, we discuss about the three tenses, and students, you have to discuss to each other about the tenses. Why? Because when you're writing any sentences, when you're making any composition, that time also these three tenses we use needfully. Okay, thank you.